So that's the Greenway, and then it redirects to Tintern. And then there's this railway tunnel owned by Forestry Commission. And you could link the Greenway up with this one. Unfortunately, at the other end, it comes out by the river and they've taken the bridge away. So to introduce this to the Greenway, they're going to have to rebuild the bridge. But it could be done. So we're going to go in and have a little look inside. Check it out.
Oh.
Echo! It's a really good tunnel though. It's got like, it's dry. They should open it up as the cycle track. It doesn't look like it needs any work either. Just the ground. Why not open it? So you can cycle through. And they need to put a bridge at the other end. Because they took the bridge away. They can link up all the cycle tracks.